Oh, looks like I found a friend here. Little bunny rabbit hanging out. A Disney bunny. What's up, bunny? Little cottontail, white cottontail. Those are so pretty. Man. What's up, buddy? Come here. Come here. Oh no! Wow, he's gone. The torches are lit. We made it all the way to fireworks. Got our spot here by Italy and America. By the way, the American Christmas tree is still up. The one that's the main tree down there, kind of like facing Spaceship Earth, has been taken down. The 60-footer, it's gone.
Yeah.
But the Christmas tree here is still up, so we might check it out.
Garland here and there.
Yeah. Not as many people as usual, but you never know, because last minute a lot of people come running. But right now, we got a pretty nice spot. There's people in front of us, but it's a pretty nice spot for fireworks. Here we go, it's showtime. The cannons are going off.
Welcome!
Everyone on this earth is part of the great symphony of us. Each of us a unique instrument, playing harmony to one another. And even though we are all playing different parts, it's our unified heartbeat that connects us, reminding us that we are more alike than we are different. A rhapsody of rhythms that unites us and connects us through commonalities of the heart. Come, find your place in the great symphony of us. When we are bored, we come into this world of raw noise. Cradled in tenderness, we tune ourselves to the world around us. Come stop your crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. 可以呼唤我，你的身边，je serai là avec toi. 'Cause you'll be in my heart, yes, you'll be in my time. Only stay on, don't stray away. Find our voice and add it to the ensemble of our ancestors, our family, nuestra familia.
Wow, those are way up there.
Sometimes we find another, and our melodies blend. And suddenly, with the hum of our heartstrings, our world becomes a duet. late in life, the accompaniment drops out, and we experience great loss. We find that the melodies we cherish are gone, and for a moment, we are playing alone. When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. And when she was happy, so was I. When she loved me, when somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. Every hour spent together is within my heart. The sun we could fall, we had each other in song. Just she and I together, like it was meant to be so. When she But we are never truly alone.
All right, high voices only.
So others can
High
hear
voices
you.
only.
The music we make echoes back at us in chorus, in concert, in symphony. For the sounds of each other.
All right, shoot the cannons. More cannons. Love those.
How miraculous that we exist on this planet at the same time. Now that I
All right, hearts for everyone. Here we go, hearts for everyone. Cannons. Woo! Yeah. Wow. Amazing. Wow, it's always awesome. Wow. I just love this show, man. The finale is always amazing. Wow. That was great. Man, glad we caught this one tonight, man.
So good.
Wow.
And the perfect temperature, too.
Woo, man. So awesome. Great, great, great show. Love it. Finale, man. Finale, you can't beat that. It's totally amazing. Now we have the after show going on. Always love the after show. Let's see if it clears out a little bit. Oh my God, so much fun. So much fun. Beautiful night too, man. With this weather, you can't complain tonight, you know what I mean? Just can't complain. Very beautiful tonight. What a beautiful night. So enjoyable, guys, so enjoyable. Wow. The after show, gotta love it. The songs they play now are freaking awesome. Here comes the boat picking up the cartridges. This one's probably gonna go all the way that way, and then there's gonna be one that's gonna be coming from over there, heading this way probably. Pick up the spent cartridges from those cannons, man. Those cannons are amazing, aren't they? In time. Yeah, thank God, right? Yeah, sometimes the dust will come this way, the firework dust, but this time the wind is going that way, so we got lucky. No smoke on this side. It looks cool, but it doesn't feel good on the eyes, guys, so it's really great when the smoke is going the other way, or the dust flying in the air, because you do feel it. It does land in your eyes when it's coming towards you, because it's a lot. They blow up a ton of fireworks here tonight, and it would be a lot of dust heading our way if the wind was this way. But we got lucky tonight. Everything's working out for us, guys. Tonight is one of those good nights. It's such a beautiful song. Part of one heartbeat, right? It's one, the word one. Ooh, the skeeters are out, guys. The skeeters are out. The mosquitoes are attacking. Just got one that flew to my face. I actually sprayed some off on myself today, on my body, my legs. Last time we were here, I got so bitten up that I'm like, man, I gotta spray some off on me. So I remembered. We bought it just for the nights we come to Epcot. Seems to be that this is the spot that gets a lot of mosquitoes for some reason. Nobody here in the corner. I'm gonna go to the corner over here. Get my little corner over here. It's got the veranda coming this way. Little corner right here. Bam. Then it goes that way over there. And there's no parties tonight. So everything is open. You can stand wherever you want, as long as you can squeeze in. Beautiful tonight. Pretty amazing. Love it. I love it. The torches are still on. They'll stay on for a little bit longer.
Do they turn off after this song?
The fountain goes off first, I think. Or is it the...
Off after this song.
I think we got... Oh, you know what? I think we got 2 more songs, but look at the moon, guys, tonight. It's like one of those super moons, man. I don't know if it is, but it looks pretty gigantic. I don't know. Looks pretty gigantic to me. I think the next song is Remember Me. And then One Little Spark. I'm your DJ for the night. Beautiful tonight. I love that it emptied out pretty fast. I like when the crowd is much lower. Right now it feels really nice. There's a lot of space between people. Not so crowded. Gotta love that. And the Italian pavilion is all lit up. It looks pretty, man. Very pretty. Gotta love it. You know, I was watching a Italian video the other day, or a video that was filmed in Italy. These lamps look just like the ones they have over there. All these, like everything looks the same. It's like having Italy right here in Central Florida. They really have done a great job here. Remember me. Remember me. Oh man, I love this. And the fountains have turned off. Here comes the boat. Gotta remove those cartridges.
Oh, that was you that hit me.
Oh yeah, my backpack fell off. I just dropped my backpack. And it hit Eva on the leg. Gotta get those cartridges out of there.
It looks like the upside down.
There they go. Good job. That was fast. You got them sitting right on the front of the boat there. Don't get wet, buddy. Hello, 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 hello. They didn't see us. Yeah, we did not get a wave this time. There's a couple of boats way in the distance doing the same thing on the other side. Torches are all lit up, all around the lagoon.
Looks like the upside down from Stranger Things.
Oh yeah, Stranger Things, upside down. That's what Eva's saying.
Upside down.
I don't know if you can hear her. Yeah, she says it looks just like the upside down from Stranger Things. Sure does, babe. Sure does. It looks really cool right now. Every time, every show here, every fireworks show here, every night, it's different depending on the wind, depending on the temperature. Everything is different. If you're visiting Orlando and coming to these parks, try to come when the cold weather is here, because it feels so great. It feels so nice. Otherwise, you get that humidity, and you're not going to be happy. Believe me, you're not going to be happy. Let me know in the comments if you've ever been here when the humidity is unbearable. Love the torches. Beautiful. What a pretty night. Pretty skies. Spaceship Earth looks amazing too, you know. There we go for my friend Brian who loves this song. Brian Whitney and the gang. I think the Pumpkin Patch gang from our channel, our membership, I think they all love this song. Right, guys? But Brian Whitney always says he loves it. There you go, Brian. This one's for you. Of inspiration of all creation. All right, I'll stop singing. One little spark. It's a big spark right there. Imagination. A dream can be a dream come true. With just a spark from me and you. Wow, it looks amazing. Beautiful night. A dream can be a dream. I'm like a broken record. But guys, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. One little spark of inspiration is at the heart of all creation. Right at the start of everything that's new. One little spark lights up for you. Imagination, a dream can be a dream come true. All right, there's nobody here on the bridge. There's the other bridge. I wanted to be up there tonight, but it was full when we got here. Oh, here comes somebody. Traffic, traffic. And the torches have gone out. They always go out at the end of this song. All right, all right. That was nice. I think we're gonna go check out the Christmas tree. Right over there. The American Adventure. I love this sign, it's so beautiful. Look at the detail on the eagle. It's pretty. Right by the front, right in front of the building. It's so nice here. They got the fountain. It's a huge fountain, by the way. Enormous. I love the sound of the fountain. We have a clock on the top of the building there. American Adventure Pavilion. It's beautiful. We got picnic tables around the trees. We love sitting here and having a float during the summer. During the winter, we'll grab a burger over there and eat over here. We love it. Liberty Theater is really cool too. The Liberty Theater. But guys, this is what I was going to show you. I was going to show you the Christmas tree. It's still here. The big giant American Adventure Christmas tree. Gotta get close up so we can see some of the beautiful ornaments on there. Can't really see the star. I gotta go on this side so I can see the star. Because the star is kind of like facing this way. Let me see, where's the star? There it is. Yeah, that's better. Let's see what's happening on the tree. Very colorful. A lot of colors. not just red, white, and blue. We got green. We got yellow in there, or white lights. There's a lot of pineapples spread throughout the tree. A lot of pineapples. One right there in the middle. I guess every little cluster of white lights or yellowish looking lights, that's where the pineapples are. Yeah, they're up everywhere on the tree. All the way to the top. It's a big one. That's so nice. So nice to be out tonight in this weather. Gotta love it. Man, it's so nice. Feels so good. I'm so comfy. Got my jacket on. Don't feel heat, don't feel cold. Feel good. Florida's tricky, you know, here in Central Florida. You hear me say it a lot. The humidity changes everything, so depending on the days, any night could be different. It could be a cold night where it feels weird because the humidity might be high. And it's a mixture between humidity and the dew point, so you never know what you're gonna get. It's a mix. It's crazy. Some people come here and they say, I could never live here, they'll tell you, because they deal with they can't deal with the humidity. They can't. It's just, they're not used to it. Sometimes I think I'm not used to it. In the summer, I don't even want to go outside. I only want to be in areas that are air conditioned. It can be pretty brutal. Let's walk a little bit. I'm waiting for you, but she just took off to the restroom, which is right there. The whole area has picnic tables too. Over here, this is like a art store. It's called Art of Disney. That makes sense, right? Art of Disney store. Really cool sign there. Art of Disney. It's got Mickey Mouse. And that little oval on the bottom there. Let's see what's going on in there. Yeah, they have beautiful paintings here. I think the art festival is coming up next. And they'll be preparing the park for the art festival, which is going to start pretty soon. Can't remember what date, but it's coming up around the corner, man. It'll be here in no time. Just a couple of weeks. Another cool place to eat is over here at the barbecue, where I was saying we grab some burgers sometimes. And what I like is that they have the little ice cream hut, ice cream and popcorn, and that little building that's right there, kind of like by the picnic tables. It looks like a little tiny house. That's where it is. I gotta love that. This is where the show is. It's closed right now, but yeah, if you've ever been here, this is the way out. Right here. Spills out here into the barbecue area and the picnic tables. There's lots of picnic tables. Here it is, the smokehouse. 1876 Regal Eagle Smokehouse. Nice, man. I love this place. They have the banana pudding. They have macaroni and cheese, baked beans, all good stuff. You could eat inside, but it gets really loud in here. So sometimes I'd rather just come outside. But it's very nice. Yeah, man, I love the banana pudding here. So good. Here's the menu. Hey, baby. She found me. The Regal Eagle Smokehouse. Let's see, they got the beef brisket, smoked chicken, barbecue platter, burgers, salads, banana pudding. There it is. And they have the s'mores bar, but I like their banana pudding is really, really good. I love it.
We need to go in there again, that show.
Yeah, we have to go there for sure.
And this is our 250th anniversary as a country.
Yeah.
We have to do that.
Yeah, we should do all the Americana stuff, celebrating America this year.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a long walk all the way back to Spaceship Earth, all the way across the lagoon. Here comes the monorail again. Got lucky on the way out here. Ah, what a beauty. So pretty. There she goes. It's got the lights underneath. Gotta love it, gotta love it. We've been walking for a while, but we're gonna have to walk through the creation shop because we always gotta check out what they have. You just never know when they're gonna spring some new items on you. The Figment sweater, still here, 30% off right now. It's on sale. It's on sale. Wonder what the price is. It's an expensive sweater. Oh wow, look at these. 2026. These are brand new. Pretty interesting. Little necklaces. All right. Oh, and these are the ears we saw the other day on New Year's Eve. We saw these at Hollywood Studios. They light up really cool. They look nice in the nighttime out there when you're walking in the dark. Oh, pass holder ringer shirt for 2026. Ah, look at that. Mickey Mouse with all four parks. That's like the all four parks design. Here's another pass holder shirt. Festival of the Holidays. It's all over. That's all over. Not anymore. What else? What else? What else? Oh, they got more things over here for 2026 already. Remember we saw some at the Contemporary Resort and somewhere else. There's been two places already where I ran into the merch. I think it was Magic Kingdom, maybe. Maybe another different resort. Yeah, it looks like the 2026 stuff has all four parks displayed on their as part of their thing. Oh, here's the bus again. Gotta love the bus. I love these die-cast toys. They're so cool. Oh, I love the Skyliner. Mickey Mouse. I wonder if they're gonna actually paint one of them like this way or wrap it up, whatever. I only have a hoodie, 2026 hoodie already, and some V-neck shirts right there. And the hoodie. Yeah, hoodie. V-neck shirt. That's cool. Here's the V-neck. So I think it's a women's cut. It's got Minnie Mouse. Women's cut V-neck. Yeah, that's why I wanted to stop because you never know. They always have new things, and they're getting rid of some of the Christmas stuff. So they have a 30% sale going on right now. Little Santa ears. Mickey Mouse ears with a Santa hat. They still have a lot of merch left. Ray, did you see that they have 30% off on the Christmas stuff?
I'm shocked. Look at the new Epcot shirt.
Oh yeah, new Epcot shirt. Haven't seen that one. They still have some of these Donald and Daisy shirts. This is a new one, established 1982. Yeah, they got it right. Ooh, the McQueen shirt. Look how many McQueen shirts they got. Yeah, I think we're gonna head over to Spaceship Earth now. After we look some more. See what else they got, and then we're gonna enjoy the light show. Here we are, right underneath Spaceship Earth right now. We made it over here. Been walking for a while, guys. Cut through the store and then over here. Right now, still feels amazing. Even with all the walking, the body heats up, but not as much because it's really cool. I've been seeing a lot of people in shorts. They gotta be from out of town because, you know, us Floridians, we're not used to this cold weather. It's crazy. Tomorrow's going to be a high of almost 80, 79 degrees. That's just crazy how we go from this cold to such warm weather and then back to cold probably tomorrow night. I assume it's going to be cold tomorrow night. I don't know. Just assuming. How's it looking over here? Beautiful. And I always brake for monorails, so if I see one, I'm going to freak. If I see one right now, I'm going to freak out because they come this way like that and ride the beam that way. Look, there's no wind. Flags are not even moving. No wind at all.
That's why it's bearable today.
Hardly ever. You see that there's usually some kind of breeze. Ah, look how pretty. Beautiful. God, I love those LED lights, right? Amazing. Ah, yeah. Spaceship Earth. I love it. Love it. The best thing they did was add those LEDs. That's made such a big difference to Spaceship Earth. Because in the dark at night, and even though they had some spotlights like a pink and a purple light, it's not the same. This really looks amazing. What a difference. Let me see. I'm gonna get some shots from here, from the middle area. All right. Huh? There we go. Man, it's so big I can't even fit it all in. Look at that. I either lose the ground or whatever. If I want to get the top, I gotta go like this, or I gotta walk further back. Go a little farther. It's beautiful, beautiful. And the fountain is so amazing. Very beautiful, man. I love how it changes colors, and then it's all coordinated with all the lights way back there at the celebration area where they have a Walt Disney statue, and it all, you know, connects to these lights here. They also go changing all around to the color that's happening on Spaceship Earth, which is really awesome. Beautiful. Oh man, I dropped my backpack again. Slid off. I only have it on one arm, on one side. So that's what's happening. Oh man. That's really nice, isn't it? You never know. That might be the thumbnail. You never know. Somebody left their glove. Oh my God. Their little mitten. Or this might be the thumbnail. I don't know. There goes the monorail. Oh my God, I missed it. Oh, I missed it by a second or two. Okay, he's gonna come around this way. We'll catch him on the flip side when he comes around this way. He's gonna go around. It'll take him like 5 minutes. And then we'll catch him. There he is, there he is. Yeah! Awesome, what a beautiful shot. Love the monorail. Now I'm gonna head to the bus station, see if I can catch the bus. Bye guys, see you tomorrow.